Hello everyone, welcome to Home Decor Ideas. Please support me, likes videos, let your comment and subscribe Home Decor Ideas and turn on notifications to get more videos soon. This video is all about open plan kitchen decor ideas. An open plan kitchen suits today's informal lifestyle, also providing a natural hub for the home and gesture sociability during cooking and prepping. But it takes skills to design a space that interrogate easily with the living area, especially in apartments and smaller homes. Clever zoning, sound control, and adhesive decorating approach are all key factors. Clever decorating and style ideas will keep each area looking separate, seamless. The L-shaped layout fills the space with lights and offers more storage and worktop space to make sure the kitchen does not feel stranded around the corner. Add flourishes of color to try the choose together. Define the space was different flooring. The flooring that is the most functional in the kitchen might not be the best fit for the eating space in an open living room kitchen plan. Make it functional and family friendly. There are many advantages to having an open plan kitchen. The most obvious that you will be able to socialize more easily with family and friends while cooking. It also enables you to keep an eye to children during homework time or while they playing in the garden. This open plan design incorporates dining, living and entertaining zones. Think about layout, think about where guests will sit while you cook and where you would like to eat. I think you will like these type of open plan kitchen ideas. So if you are new on our channel, please subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon for more related videos. Thanks for watching.